Hey everybody, it's Tina Noir. I just want to do a quick update of what I was doing tonight. I just had an urge for donuts. So I found a recipe that took cottage cheese, eggs, almond flour, monk fruit sweetener, baking powder, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. The recipe I had found said that they made a sugar cinnamon combo and dusted them with it. But to be honest, with all this, because I think they had Swerve instead of monk fruit sweetener on their website they used, but I used monk fruit sweetener, and they're sweet on their own. They really don't need much else, but it was a lot of fun to make them. I just used my donut dash thing, and they came out perfectly. They took less than 8 minutes each batch. It just took a bunch of batches, but it was about a table of batter per donut round. So anyway, I'm gonna get off here. I will see y'all in the next video. Happy 4th of July weekend and happy birthday to America. 250. Here is to 250 and more.